having a new example pertaining to test 1 on the series and sequence. So you are given the generator 1 raised to the exponent of 2n minus 2 all over 2. So same procedure, your instructions will be you'll be finding for the first 7 terms, and afterwards, you need to find what is the total of this series that you have based on the solution that you have for the 7 terms. For instance, so a sub 1 is equal to 1 raised to the exponent of 2n minus 2 all over 2. And because n should be equal to the first 7 terms, it becomes 1 raised to the exponent of 2 times 1, first na sa a sub 1, minus 2 all over 2. And then 1 is 2 times 1 is 2 minus 2 all over 2. And then 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and afterwards over 2. And always remember, any number raised to the exponent of 0, the answer will be 1. And then copy over 2. Therefore, your a sub 1 is equal to 1 half. Now, because of the fact that you're trying to find the first 7 terms, si a sub 1 would be a sub 7. And for the series, it becomes s sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus until a sub 7 equals, and then that will be your total of your series. Now for this afternoon, I want you to get your pen and paper so that 7. Begin, everyone. And also, can you turn on your camera so that I can see that you are doing this task this afternoon? Okay, base ng uban, ng lingkod, ng idara, ng lapa, naligog dagat. Okay? Okay, I want to see. Yung sa aero, uy. Hindi mo nag-answer. That is noted.
Sir.
Yes, Ashley.
Ano gyapon? I see.
Sir.
Ito ang solusyon niyo ani na nakaatag ng 2.6.
Assess or pwede ra mo example kaning ay ingana ang process sir.
Ay, pasabot ninyo no, like for example, start mo sa a sub 1, tapos mula hos mo sa substitution, dayon mula hos di mo sa yung final answer. Mo na?
Sir, like manual na lang mo kanang sir ba?
Yes, pwede ra na siya. Basta pakita jud ko nga inyong so. Okay, are you done answering na? Or nag-answer pa ako ba? Sige, tiwasa sa. Okay, tiwasa lang sa. And we'll do after checking afterwards.
7. Ay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. One was 2 times 7 is 14 minus 2. Half. Yeah. Seven. 2 times 7. Ano? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 7. Ay,
Two.
6,
Oporto, what is A sub 2?
7, 40.
1/2. Okay, very good. Okay, Cyrus, what is A sub 3?
1/2, sir.
Ganun.
Okay, very good. Now, Paho, what is A sub 4?
1/2 gapon, sir.
Now, Gapo, what is A sub 5?
2, 4, 6,
Okay, Rain Ito, what is A sub 5?
1/2.
Okay, Monica, what is A sub 5? Yeah, still 1/2. Okay, Ashley, what is A sub 6?
1/2, sir.
Okay, Vaichi, what is A sub 7?
1/2 gyapon, sir.
Okay, very good. So all of the term are 1/2. Now, let's have Lorraine. What could be the series for this?
Ay! Ay!
Okay, wala sila Ricky. Pendo, what is the total series?
7/14. Yeah. Ay!
3.5.
Ay, Billy. Di plus is equal. Yeah. Hindi mali.
Hello, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9,
Okay, that is correct.
14. Oh,
3.5 or 7 over 2. Now class, always
ay.
remember, be
Ay!
better if you'll be answering in fraction because fraction is more accurate rather than having the rounding up of the decimal. It's better to answer in fraction kay mas duol siya sa answer. Man, sa decimal nga mausab niya because iyang round up or depending on the number, especially for non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. Now, any questions so far in having this series?
Fraction
Clarifications.
na naman di ay.
Napako dali sa inyo kong need. Clarifications. Ni answer. Sige lang. Mabala na. Wala na questions, clarifications sila. Ito mga bright boy. Murag bright na ano nun ay. Murag ready na jud ay for the exam. Pero mag-expect ko ka ng ang score kay mga 95 over 105.
Over naman.
Yung ako matay kayo mag-note na yung hashtag easy calculus. Oh. Yung mga bright, yung mga naong dari so, mga genius. Kaya gisagdan na sa mga kanahan ay higit pa ko. Sige. Okay, so you have no questions for this one. Now, let's have another example. Now, for this one, we'll be having the sample for the test 3 in which you need to find the patterns for this. Or basin okay na mo, ani? Feel na ko okay na mo sa test, ano? Hindi na ko kailangan mag-review.
Ayaw, sir. Hala.
Okay, that's an example. For instance, you have the pattern 2, 7, and 9. What do you think is the pattern for this one?
Ang sir, putol-putol.
2, 3, 5, 7, 9. What do you think is the pattern for this one? Try to think what is the pattern. Apa? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 na ba yung pattern? What do you think is the pattern? Try to think. Yes, Ashley. What is the pattern, Ashley?
Answer ka ng 2n minus 1 ba, sir?
Isa?
2n minus 1.
2n minus 1. Now, if atong is substitute si 1 ni 2n minus 1, pwede ba? Nga ma-resolve niya ako ng 2.
2 will substitute 2 transform minus
What?
1 3 ay ay delete
Ay, wait, anong to kung butang? It should be 1, Rodri, wait. Sorry. It is 13579.
Awas up to sir, no?
It should be, sakto, 2n minus 1. Ano 2 ba nung? Ano sa quadrant ka 2n minus 1? My bad. So this is 2n minus 9. Because if mag-start ka ni 2, I mean, 2, ay mo ikuha niya, substitute is 1 for the a sub 1 minus 1. So it becomes 2. 2 times 1 is 2, then minus 1. Then we will start into 1. Right? So sakto niya yung 2n minus 1. And if makita na ninyo dayon, then automatic 5 points. No? Very easy. So far.
oh
Automatic 5 points. So makita niyo yung pattern.
Yes.
No. Any questions so far pa dyan? Clarifications?
Sir, unsa na na-test, sir?
Test number 3. Test 3 ni siya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And ready na si Carrie nga ma-perfect ay.
Ready na mo piyong, sir.
Yung na Judy. Now, questions so far. Wala na? Google Docs. Sorry. Okay, now, kung wala na questions for the review, how about for the scaffolds 2 and 3 nga i-submit karong Friday? Nabay question? Okay, I believe wala na question kaya malapit na mahuman. Submit na lang. And remember, bonus points will be given if complete ang ako ang madawatan per row and per column. So hopefully, ready na ang tanan. Sir, di unsa gani pagkuha ang 2n minus 1? Okay, that's a good question. Now, as you can see the pattern, it is 13579. Actually, there's no definite way in solving this one aside from having your trial and error method. Ang imong yung asset ani is for you to know how familiar are you with the numbers. It's because always remember ka, sub 1 gani ang gipasabot, meaning na ang atong gi-substitute is ang 1. Now, as you can see, it's 13579. And ang atong gi-plus diri is, ilagay natin gi-plus diri sa kadalihok na to. 2, right? So, plus 2, and so on. Now, if na-plus 2 siya, plus 2, therefore, gamit ang base number na 2. Again, kaya tungkol na-plus 2 siya, meaning na gamit ang base ni number 2. So, nagsige balik-balik si 2. Therefore, 2n. Kasi 2, kapila mag-balik-balik. 1, 2, 3. So, available siya sa tanin. 2n. Now, kung si 2n lang alone, 2 raised to the exponent of 1 is 2 man. The 1, 2. Ang sunod niya kay 4. Ang sunod niya kay 6. Now, you're only asked for 1, 3, 5. So, unsa mga number nga kung imong i-minus ni 2, ang result kay 1. Unsa man ka ha? That is, comment in the chat box. Unsa ka ha? Unsa i-minus ni mo ni 2 para ang result kay 1? Comment down in the chat box. That is 1. Therefore, Kung atong i-try daw nga i-minus ni 1, result ba siya? Prove ba siya sa atong statement nga si 2n minus 1 ang 13579? So 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 1 is 5. And so on. So technically, this is just a trial and error. Dapat mo nag-ingon nga, as a STEM student, know your numbers. Again, you need to know your numbers for this one, or else you'll not be familiar enough with the patterns that are being presented to you. Logical thinking and critical thinking is also being utilized in solving this one. And don't you worry, there are only 2 items nga akong i-include na dyan. Napapalibog ninyo gamay. Again, 2 items. For test 1, it will be 5 items. Test 2, 2 items utilizing the properties of sigma notation. And for test 3, 2 items also in finding the pattern generator for the given sequence or series. Nasa, sir, na yung fraction ani? Wala. Walay fractions, but it could possibly, pero di siya yung fraction, di siya tanin. Pero nalay mo hagip lang na fraction. Pwede siya yung lisod yung kayo. It could be mga nasugatan na or mga di-agian lang sa ninyo. Iwan yung pansin na. So, kay kayo dyan ang notes, kay kayo dyan ang learning enhancements. Eh, kung asa nakatupad mo. And hopefully, ready mo sa inyong properties of sigma notation nga, inyuhan lang na-memorize para lahos-lahos na lang po. Kaya gamit kayong properties of sigma notation. Nasa 10 grade 11. Sir, can you try solve sa 3, 5, 7, 9? Pareha na sila mo na ba? Ang 3, 5, 7, 9. It's just that nag-start ang 3, 5, 7, 9. Asa ka na-start ng 3579? Sa value ni 2. Sa isab 2 na siya nag-start. 79. Yes, substitute lagi hapon ng imuhang magamit ani. Pero mo sila na sa pag-substitute, dapat aware mo sa PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, GEMDAS rule. Also, do not forget your positive and negative numbers. Okay, basta niya, ang 1 minus 1 ninyo, mahimo ng 2 noon. Katawa ba yan? Dahil mo sa 1 minus 1, mahimong 2. Okay, any questions so far, grade 11 DO? Pila ko none na kay mga bride. Ready na ni sila, uy. Saan naman ko ng Friday? Yes, Ashley.
Sir, ang sa properties of sigma notation, sir, ba kay mostly yung ipanghatag man nga example, sir, no, kay wala kayo integers ang sa index. Tapos like, wonder ko, sir, ba, what if, sir, na siya yung number, sir, instead of on 1 siya?
Oh, 1. So, menu is put to me 4. Sub 1, mag-start mo negative 1, 0, 1, 4. So, therefore, naamoy 6. Follow the number line. Nasaktan na May 11 na sabtan ra ba? Pero wala na naningo. Ano naman eh. Yes, Lugalo.
Sir, sa ato ding properties of sigma notation, ang first ug ang second property no may i-separate raman. Ang di man siya solving, siguro siya i-separate. Ang kuan.
Yes. Kasi property 1 and property 2 kapag separate na ninyo sa questions pa jud kay gito ka na si Pendo. Grade 11. Nandito pa ba kayo?
Nagkataong gi-chat sir.
Sige, chat.
Kaya kung
Yes,
mga print
pwede ra. Pwede ra gyapon na pero mas maayo fan na lang jud ha. Turn on na sa